Hey guys, let's make udipi rasam today. It will taste so good. So without any delay, we'll start the process. For this, take 1/4 cup of tur dal, wash it, boil it, and mash it as shown in the video, and soak some tamarind for 10 to 15 minutes. For making this rasam, we have to make one special paste. For this, heat very little oil. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoon of coriander seeds, some red chilies and very little fenugreek seeds. Add everything and fry for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Don't fry it on high flame. It should be on low flame. This is very different rasam recipe, guys. You also try at your home. I am sure your entire family are going to love this. Now I am going to switch off the stove and add very little asafoetida or hing. Now let the mixture cool down completely and we'll make a paste out of it. So while making paste, you can add very little water if required. Now heat the vessel. Add very little oil. In this rasam, one more thing is we are not using more oil. It's very healthy. Even you can have it for dinner, lunch. So this is very healthy. So add very little oil. In that add mustard seeds and then onion and green chilies. Here while cooking onions, I am going to add very little salt so that onion will get cooked early and it will not get burned. Here this is one tip. While cooking onions, you have to add very little salt so that even you cook on high flame by mistake also, the onion will not get burned. Here I am adding 1 tomato. Let the tomatoes cooked well. Now add turmeric and chili powder. Add the chili powder as per your taste, because here we are using red chilies, green chilies and chili powder. So add the grinded paste. After adding the paste, you have to cook for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. So I have added tamarind water to the mashed dal and I am adding that mixture into this. Here you can adjust the consistency of water. Usually rasam should be of watery consistency, then only it will taste so good. So at this stage add the salt as per your taste. Already we have added while cooking the onions, so add accordingly. Now cook it for 3 minutes. After that add very little jaggery and some coriander leaves. Cook for 2 minutes. That's it. Our tasty and unique udipi rasam is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you.